Flight 4696, wind 26015 goes 23, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
26 right, clear for takeoff, French flight 46.
So it's 1928, Las Vegas Tower, runway 26 right, line up, wait. If you taxi in position without delay, should get you right out. Traffic's 5 out for the intersecting.
26 right, up wait, that was 1928.
Southwest 4537, contact push, good day.
To departure Southwest 4537, see ya.
Five, Lima Sierra, turn right at Alpha 6. If you miss it, just X right down to Alpha 7, please. Hold short, runway 26 right.
Take Alpha 6 and we'll hold short 26 right, 885, sir.
Southwest 1928, winds 26017 goes 23, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
26 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 1928.
Flight 4696, contact departure, have a safe flight. That's Southwest off your nose, will be southbound, no factor.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. French flight 4696.
Okay, 1961 with you, visual 261.
First flight 1961, Las Vegas Tower, winds 26018 goes 23, runway 26 left for land.
Land 26 left, Frontier 1961.
Alaska 9668, Las Vegas Tower for your flow time, you need to be next, runway 26 right at Bravo 1, line of way, traffic lands intersecting.
26 right, Bravo 1, line away, Alaska 9660.
Southwest 8504 at Alpha 5, cross runway 26 right, contact ground point 1.
At 26 right, cleared to cross at Alpha 5, ground point 1, Southwest 8504.
5 Lima Sierra at Alpha 6, cross runway 26 right, ground point 1.
6 cross 26 right, point 1, 885, sir.
Delta 1591 at Alpha 5, cross runway 26 right, ground point 1.
Alpha 5, cross 26 left, ground point 1, Delta 1591.
Southwest 1928, that Frontier off your nose will be northbound, no factor, contact departure, have a safe flight, thank you for the hustle.